and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In today's video, we'll be wrapping up our Google Chrome tips and tricks series, and I'll be showing you how to customize your toolbar inside of your Google Chrome. If you're not familiar with your toolbar, it is essentially this long bar, especially right over here in your Google Chrome profile. Now, depending on what Google Chrome profile you're logged into, this could look different on each of your different accounts. To customize your toolbar, we're going to go up to these three little dots. We're going to go all the way down to settings. On the left hand side, definitely play around with all of these settings, but today we're just going to focus on appearance. And then right over here, you're going to see customize your toolbar. Clicking this little external link here. And then this shows you where it's going to show up, which is right above here. And then down below, you get to choose whether to engage each of these different options. So if you want to have your Google Password Manager, mine is turned on. As you can see, this little key icon is showing up now. Same with this QR code icon up here at the top. I also have this turned on. If you've watched one of our last videos about how to create a free QR code through Google Chrome, you'll know that this is how I enabled it to show up in my toolbar. Other good ones would be Google Translate if you tend to use that a lot. Casting your screen. If you have a lot of tabs, you could do a tab search. Print. Bookmarks are usually shown in your bookmarks bar, which is where all these icons are always showing. But if you don't like to have yours showing, you could always enable this bookmarks one so you could easily access your bookmarks right up here. And there are so many more options. For example, I don't really use tab search very often, but I do like to copy a lot of different links. So I'm going to turn on copy link. And at the very top, I'm able to reorder these based on the order that I may choose to use them in. So if I prefer to have QR code last, copy link first, I can always reorder them based on what I have. Now, the more that you have, the shorter that your search bar is going to get, as you can see. And again, I'm still able to reorder these like this. Again, I highly recommend that you play around with all of your Google Chrome settings. As you've seen in the last couple of videos, you can edit quite a bit with your Google Chrome profile. You can make it as customized as you'd like to yourself. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next week's video.